Hello beauty squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. We are in 2021 and it is already off to a tumultuous start. Oh Jesus, but it's got to get better, right? It's got to get better. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying at home so we can get through this and get back to some sense of normalcy. But today I'm bringing you guys another review. This year on my channel, I'm definitely going to try to explore more indie brands, as you know, as well as some of the bigger brands and even the brands in the middle, and work on my craft a little more, adventure out a little more, and step out of my comfort zone. And that is definitely to come. And I bought the Charlotte Tilbury Bejwelled Eyes to Hypnotise palette. This is what we're going to be reviewing today, and it's an interesting palette. It's my first full-size palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and I saw it, I liked it. I was in Sephora with my chocolate, and he actually convinced me to get this. So the last time he convinced me to get something from Charlotte Tilbury is a quad, and it was one of her blue, it was a blue eyeshadow quad. I actually really love that quad a whole lot. So of course we were shopping in Sephora and he was like, get it. So guess what? My ass got it. And here we are. So we're going to review this today. I'm going to let you know if it deserves an applause, a standing ovation, and if I think you need it in your life. And yeah, should be interesting. So if you want to see how I got this look with this palette and my final thoughts on this palette, please stay tuned. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're already here. You're watching. Shot it from the rooftops. TeeTee is on. I gotta go. So let's get into this Charlotte Tilbury try on, swatch, and review, and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the palette, and as I said, this is my first time actually purchasing a full Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. I do have, hold on, I do have one of her quads that's like 50 bucks. It's the blue one, of course. It's usually like right here, but I don't see it. It's not right here in front of me, but that one was like $53. So this palette, this is the Bejwelled Eyes to Hypnotise palette, and it comes in 12 shades. So let's just look at it. And it is really pretty. It's really, really pretty. And it's kind of broken down into sections, right? So you have your, where's the box? You have your, right here, Happy Glow, these three. I mean, you could create looks with each of these four sections. We have the Love Glow with the pretty red right there in the middle. Dream. With that pretty purple, and then the last one is Seduce Glow. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. So let's swatch all of this and see how they swatch. All right, so this is from the Love Glow section. Okay, this is just a matte. Yeah, you can barely see that. That gold is pretty. Okay. Now we're going to move on to Love Glow, where they had that pretty red in there. Oh, these things are like buttery. That's pretty. That's pretty. And then this matte red here. That's pretty too. Now we'll move into Dream Glow, which had that pretty purple. Yeah, that some nice shimmer there. That's pretty. This pink, ooh, yeah, that's pretty. And then the purple. The purple is what sold me on this, and there's the purple. So now we'll go to the final section in here, Seduce Glow. Lots of neutral golds, bronzes here. Ooh, that chocolate brown. Ooh, that brown is nice. And then Seduce Glow. Oh, very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm not even sure where to start because there's so many color options in here. Charlotte. I think that, well, we'll see. I'll save my thoughts to the end. And if I didn't say, I mean, this packaging is really, really pretty, and this retails for $75. Kind of steep for a 12-pan palette, but let's see what the quality looks like. So let's see. We'll try to dabble into a lot of it, but let's start with Happy Glow. In the, well, yeah, we'll dip into Happy Glow. My better half is sitting like right over there, and I guess I'm supposed to pretend he's not sitting there. All right, let's see what we got here. This color is okay. And as you can see, my face is already done for the most part, except for my eyes. So let's just start with this middle shade here is what I started with. And it's a funky kind of color. I'm going to say, I can't describe it right now. Okay, let's go to the other side here and just kind of add it on. Here, I mean, they're going on, the mattes are actually going on very, very well. Very nice, easy to blend. I kind of want to try this red simply just because it's red and it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe this brush off. This is a MAC, I think it's a 217 blending brush, and it's been like my go-to brush for everything. That's what this brush is for. So I think we're going to try the red, and we're just going to keep it. There's no fallout in here either. And this is from the Love Glow section. So let's just put it here. I'm going to tap it on, and I'm not going to take it all the way. I'm just going to leave it on the outer portion of my eye here. And just kind of keep packing it on a little bit. Okay. It's a pretty red. It's not as red as it looks here in the pan, but it's still pretty. But again, it's another matte color that's actually blending very, very well. Okay, let's go to the other eye. Okay, that didn't go on too bad. That's not bad. It actually blended out well. I'm going to try, like I said, to use as many colors in here as I possibly can. So in Dream Glow, we have this color here. That's pretty. That's really pretty. That'll look good up against the red. And then, of course, I mean, you can never go wrong with anything bronzy. Yeah, that's pretty. So let's just go with what's in Dream Glow here in the middle, this pinkish color. And I'm going to use my finger for this. I mean, these things are so soft and buttery. It is unbelievable. Okay, let's see. Goes on very well. Blends well. It's not as shimmery as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty. But let's just see. Go to the other hand. Switch it here. See, it's really, really, really pretty. And I'm just trying to take this up as far up here as I can. That's really pretty. That actually is really, really pretty. And let's just take it up a little more. And then go back with my 217 brush I didn't add anything on here. Just trying to marry these two colors together. Okay. I'm gonna add a little more. It's very, it's very, very pretty. And you know what? Just because I like, let's try to see if we can make it stand out more and wet a flat brush. I'm just going to take this flat shader brush. I don't know what the number is. All I know is it's a MAC flat brush. And let's just see how these perform wet if I take that same middle color and just kind of wetten it there and see how we working. Still pretty though. Okay, so let's see. We can take that purple and pop that in the corner there, because it's so easy to do bronze or gold there in the middle. We're gonna wet my little pencil brush here from MAC, and again, I don't know what the number is, but I've had it for a little while. And let's just go with that purple there. Ooh, the purple underneath would be prettier. I think the purple underneath here would be prettier. Or the purple in the corner. We can, I like the purple thought underneath the eye. So we'll go with, in the, let's see, ooh, this here in Happy Glow. That right there is pretty. So let's try that instead in the inner corner here. Let's just pop that on. Like that. Little bit of that red matte kind of dusted up under here, but oh yeah. This will work. Okay, so let me finish up my face and then I will come back with my final thoughts, and if I think this gets an applause, aka a standing ovation, and if you need this in your life. So stay tuned. Okay, so I finished up and this is the final look. I actually added lashes today because I really just have not been in the mood for lashes. But as I said, I took in Dream Glow, that pretty purple there, and put that underneath my waterline there. And the crazy part is I actually have almost a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. She doesn't have concealer. And I'm sure she's probably working on it, but I bronzed with her bronzer and I used her Flawless powder under the eyes. This stuff here is just the bomb. Her blush and Nude Kate lipstick, which is just one of my favorite nudes. But overall, on the Bejeweled palette itself, do we like it, Chocolate? He says yes. But yes, we do like it. So it does get an applause. It does get a standing ovation. It gets one from him too. It actually is a really pretty palette. And as you can see, you can get, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections in here with 3 different colors with a matte and shimmers that will give you a look. Whether you want to go just neutral on the end here or you want to add some color into your life here. But I think it's a great palette. The price point of $75, it's one of those, you kind of look at it as Natasha Denona's smaller palettes are $65. Pat McGrath is $125, something along those lines. And this is kind of somewhere in the middle. But I think this quality here is really good for Charlotte Tilbury, and I can't wait to see what else she's going to come out with. This is my first eyeshadow palette from her, and I'm, you know, full eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I have one of the quads that are $53. I mean, you're talking that's just $22 less than this for 4 colors, but you definitely get more bang for your buck with this, and the mattes blend well, the shimmers blend well. It's just a nice, very nice palette overall. Do I think you need it in your life? Do they need it in their life?
Yes.
Yes, he has spoken. I do think you need it. And the next Sephora sale, I would say grab it. But I mean, look at this packaging too. I mean, this packaging is really, really nice. So I'm definitely going to do some more looks with this palette. So stay tuned. I know she has other smaller, the quads are like her big thing, and then she had one palette I just despise and I ended up giving it away, but this palette was definitely worth it. So we'll see what she brings this year as far as eyeshadow palettes that are similar to this. I'm excited. I'm happy that I picked it up, and I really like it, and I think it'll work on a lot of skin tones as well too. So let me know what you think if you're going to pick this up, because I definitely do think it's worth it. And again, if there's a Sephora sale coming up, which I'm sure there probably is, then I would definitely say grab this. But until next time, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Let's talk about it. And until next time, your girl TeeTee is out. He's saying goodbye too.